Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, you know, say me have to run out, Yeah, man, when me see the things, them pop up. Hey, my wisdom warriors. So, you know, say, Crystal Lee, critical of misleading statement from Dr. Alfred Dawes, Member of Parliament for Northwest St. Anne's. The Jamaica Labour Party, Crystal Lee, is criticizing. Listen to all them a bullshit here. Mouthpiece have up and down. Pure bullshit. This is why me come out and me have to cuss them, Big Mama post all this rubbish. All these rubbish chatting shit. My wisdom warriors. So this girl we call Crystal Lee. Me don't know she, because at first me ever see she a come out, a run off her mouth. So Crystal Lee come out and criticize opposition spokesman on health, Dr. Alfred Dawes, for what she says is his willingness to mislead the country about the state of the public health system. How comes Dr. Dawes mislead the country? Me tell, hey, how comes Dr. Dawes, your sister they not have nothing for chat about? Your sister they not have nothing for chat about. What Dr. Dawes say? Dr. Dawes come out and ask, where is the ventilators? Where is the ventilators? Nobody thinks so we not go distract we, Because it not go work, It not go work. You shouldn't shame on yourself. Coming out and talking about his how is he come like a son idiot? Say, what are you done? All you Crystal. No wonder why they send you. You're dunce like a bat. You're dunce like a bat. I want to come from, man. Want to come from? My box, my wisdom warriors. You not hear this here? You not hear this here? In a statement on Thursday, the JLP Crystal Lee says in his public statement, Dr. Alfred Dawes pretend he's unaware of the raft of major reforms taking place in the health sector. Those reforms, should note, include 1,000 additional doctors being given permanent posts. 1,000. We not talk about that. And that we are talking about ventilator. We not talk about 1,000 additional doctors. We not talk about that because we not have nurses and we not have doctors. Because listen, Dr. Dawes, a long time Dr. Dawes has talked about this. Long time him telling us if we come address this. Long time. And now a baby dead. Of course, he must come out. He must come out so nobody feels like go, hey, go in now. Go in. Because take 700 billion mouthpiece at this of a post, take $700 billion, and share it up amongst the whole of and make Jamaican people suffer like dog, and make young baby are dead, and make mothers are dead. Hey, my wisdom warriors, me vex, Me vex with them, They shouldn't shame at them damn self coming out and talking about, hey, go in, Go away. You shouldn't shame on yourself. You worthless. Pure carelessness you deal with. No, not have no all other day me here coming at Johnson talk about Andrew Oldness. Have who at heart? Have Jamaican people interest at heart? So what the $700 billion there? If you didn't love Jamaican people, you would have fix up Jamaica long time. Equipment would have in the hospital them. You would have train nurses long time and train doctors for use equipment according to Christopher Tufton and him come out and say, you don't have no trained personnel. Excuse me. So this little girl, Crystal, hey girl, go away, Go away, we don't want to hear nothing from you. My wisdom warriors, hear this. My wisdom warriors. So Dr. Dawes go for chief medical officer. That him always do. Anytime he say in a shambles and he say the whole house a tumble down, he always a go for this a woman here. This a liar there. He always a go for. Chief medical officer in the health ministry, Dr. Jacqueline Besaso Mackenzie says the more than 100 ventilators are enough. Wanna hear that? Jamaica, more than 100 ventilators are enough to meet the demands in the public health system. Remember, so we have 3 million people in a Jamaica. So do you think 120 functional ventilators is enough to meet the public demand? On a real killer about ya. A real killer them. My wisdom warriors, real killer them. 3 million people upon the island. 3 million people. And you come out and tell we say 120 functional ventilators enough to meet public demand. Other day 118, Christopher Tufton said yesterday. So every time for uno number always I go up and down. How comes for uno numbers always I go up, down, up, down? The ministry has revealed there are a total of 191 ventilators now available across the health system. My wisdom warriors, you hear that? Christopher Tufton came out yesterday and said 210. Hey, they wicked, you know? They wicked, my wisdom warriors. Uno just take a look over here, so. Christopher Tufton say 118 active ventilators. Yeah? And then now, mouthpiece, I say, Christopher Tufton say 120. You know see that? So Christopher Tufton say 118. First it was 115. Then it got to 118. Now we are 120. Make up on the mind, Liad. Liad, don't make up on the mind. Eh? So look, I want to look good. 120 functional ventilators enough to meet public demand. This is what Dr. Jacqueline Mackenzie say. This is what this woman. I want to look good pan her. This a woman enough to be on doctor in our country, you know. Just take a good look pan her. How can this woman come out and say 120 functional ventilators is enough to meet public demand? Wow. And look, my wisdom warriors, take a look at this. Health and Wellness Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says there are 210 registered ventilators in Jamaica public health system. You hear that? And he said 118 of which are actively in use. Tufton, who was speaking at a Ministry of Health and Wellness virtual press conference Thursday morning, said another 40 are out for maintenance. 52 is not in use. 52 broken. And that must say, my wisdom warriors. See the word where they use the obsolete. Why is he even using that word? Jamaican people don't understand that word. Some of them. You understand me? So, may I tell us that them numbers up and down. 210 is registered. Then he come out. First he did say 115 when post in Twitter. Then he come out and he say 118. Yeah? And then he got to 122. And now 120. My wisdom warriors. Oh my God, seriously. And then he bring out this woman you know, fi come convince we. Because when you go for she, I convince you want convince we, you know. So here what she say. The ministry has revealed there are a total of 191 ventilators now available across the health system. Me just read it and just show you. Christopher Tufton say 210 them have. Hey. So you see, say them are lied. A liar them here. Them are liar. And Jamaican people want to go out and protest. A liar them here. No, this doctor lady, chief medical officer say, in a statement Thursday, the ministry says of the number 120 are fully functional and in use. It says the remaining 71 ventilators are non-functional, giving issues of maintenance, including the need for spare parts that are not available in the country. So I'm going to mash up them already. My wisdom warriors, they not service them. They not service them. Uno get more than enough money, can send out the set of them to go get repairs. And uno not have to do that. Una have all heap of money can go buy. Una get how much money for buy. Europe give no money to buy special gadgets. Europe give no extra money. How much? Hey, una not bother with it, you know. No, don't bother with it. Don't bother with this slackness. Why you bother bring out this a girl for? Every time Christopher Tufton, all us a tumble down pan in my wisdom warriors, him always a bring out this a woman here. You don't notice? Every time he find himself in a shit. Anytime he find himself in a shit pit, you always see run gun for this a woman here. For she can convince we. Girl, go away. Go away. Can you hold on no mean Jamaican well? Go away. Wanna take people for? Eh? Wanna take people? Come out, come tell me how much neonatal ventilators wanna have. Come talk about that. We want to hear about that. I'll know we don't hear nothing about that. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what to think about these people. Can you see these people is something else. Me show you the numbers there. Me show you they lie. Them a born liar. Born liar. And anytime Christopher Tufton in a shit, find himself in a shit, my wisdom warriors. Hey, him always go for this woman. Eh? Like you think so we believe she? We not believe she. We not believe she. We not believe in them. Because we brothers and sisters are dead off. We baby them a die. We not believe in our no doctor. We not trust no. So go away and lift up from here, so. The CEO, me tell you one thing with them, my wisdom warriors. They not admit to nothing. They not admit to nothing. When people do wrong, man, you have to tell them so they do wrong, man, and fire people when they not do the right thing. And that's enough to do, but you can't do that because you know say a fool no fault. Because you not give the funding. When you get the money, you not use it and buy equipment. Me talk to nurses in the hospital them. Me talk to nurses in the hospital them, my wisdom warriors. We work in a different, I just show me I want to say certain things. Me talk to nurses and then I like one in the hospital and then I have equipment. Simple paracetamol them not have, Panadol them not have. You hear me? This is why me encourage you to come out and protest. This is why. My wisdom warriors, want to tell me what you think and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, hear this. The health ministry blames the staff turnover. The system issues for delay in financial reports. So right now, the permanent secretary, Tufton Bryan, has blamed the death, migration and retirement of former staff for the Ministry of Health and Wellness inability to finalize its appropriation accounts for submission to the Auditor General. The Auditor General Department is awaiting appropriation accounts spanning a decade from 2013 to 2014 to 2022 to 2023. You hear what this money I say now? This money I put a blame on people when I work there again, so they want say no, this I want dead end. No, una got prison to no fat. Who allow una got prison? Who allow una got prison? About you are blaming. You are blaming. You are blaming farmer staff. You know, hear them something here, my wisdom warriors, them a put a blame on the staff them now. Them a blame, one thing with them, you know. They not wrong for put the, they not wrong for pushing on and eat the bus, you know. Jano. The whole of una got prison. The whole of una got prison. You, all you don't stand, Brian. Look from when you did your work. And you blame farmer staff. So when you come in, when you take over, why you never do auditing? Because that is the first thing I would do. That is, you know, say, una really a dunce bat. Una really a dunce bat. But una really dunce bat, you know. Una a thief. Una a thief. That's why. Look at the mayor. Look at the mayor of Kingston and St. Andrew. What was the first thing he did? Mr. Swaby. What was the first thing Mr. Swaby did when he go in asked for an audit to be done? And I remember, and when he do the audit, not him, but when he asked for the audit and it has been done, what happened? He find out say 88 million Jamaican dollar has been paid, overpaid to people. Yeah? Wanna hear me? And then you go on like on bright. But another thing my wisdom warriors, they know what them do. A thief, you all of them thief money, but the whole of them got prison. The whole of them got prison one by one. So you continue to build up a prison because in there the whole of them go. You rob from the poor and from the sick and from the needy. How dare you? How dare you know? Robbing, stealing from the sick and the needy. People send funding for the sick. Oh my God. Una rob and steal from the sick. How wicked una can be. Jaja. I know this a money I know. Permanent secretary for health and wellness come out and blame staff. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think, yeah, man. Put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. Also, you can reach me on my WhatsApp. My number is 876-236-1997. Feel free to support my movement by blessing up my PayPal and my Zelle. The link I got in the comment section. Blessings upon blessings upon blessings. One love.